Howdy, I'm Mike, and we are checking out the Akko 3084 SP, which stands for Special, and that's an Ocean Star model. As you can see, it's a rather small box, probably because the keyboard is a 84 key, I'm not even sure the technical name, but compact version. Let's check this guy out. Fairly nice box so far. Looks like they take pride in their keyboards. Got this guy here. Nice little, I suppose, dust cover, which I may use. Really very dusty in my area. Then we got our nicely protected keyboard here. Ooh, that's nice. I have to say I'm a fan of blue keys, and this hits the spot very nicely. Some nice white accents here. Let's see. Let's see. Now we're going to do some close-ups here in a minute. We're just unboxing away. Some nice little feeties here. Got a USB port over here on the edge. And let's see what else is in the box. Get ourselves a little manual, and I am also in America, and I have a very strong suspicion there is no English in here. Let's see. Let's see. So this has some media keys in the top row there, and no, that's a different model. Smaller, more compact model with what is that? A 68 key. And it'll do some macros, and then they have the Bluetooth model as well, which I don't have. Looks like this manual just covers all the submodels of this particular keyboard, and no English, so that's always nice. We got a little, I don't know what that is, certificate of something. And let's see what else we got in the box. Yes, we got a few extra keys. We have a nice light blue spacebar. We got some darker blue accent keys to match everything else, and I think I'm going to stick with the white for the moment. They look pretty. And I'm guessing we got a USB-C keyboard. Cable in here. USB-A to C, which is good because I don't have a C hub handy. Okay, so that's our unboxing for the moment. Nice long cable. Let's just check that real quick. Oh yeah, that's got to be, I don't know, geez, what is that? About 5 feet. Good. Okay, continuing on.